If you bring your pen case everywhere you go and are worried about it getting dirty, check out these easy-to-clean pen cases. In this video, we'll show you 10 of our favorites. First, let's go over some tips on how to clean your pen case. Regardless of what your pen case is made of, it's much easier to remove fresh marks made by water-based pens and markers. The longer a stain sits, the harder it will be to remove. Cases made of silicone, metal, plastic, and some polyurethanes are easy to clean. Wipe the material with a damp paper towel or cloth. You can also use cleaning wipes for more difficult marks, but be sure to test it on an inconspicuous spot first. Cases made of nylon or polyester require a little more care. You can spot clean any discolored areas with a soft brush and a small amount of dish soap. Use just enough water to create suds and gently scrub the case. Then, use a dry paper towel or cloth to wipe off the suds. You can spot clean repeatedly, but be sure to let the area dry before scrubbing again. If the marks are stubborn, you can machine wash nylon or polyester cases. Use stain remover sparingly and wash on a delicate cycle with cold water. Let the case air dry. Now let's jump into our recommendations. Silicone and polyurethane. The Kokuyo Wheel Stationery Actic Pencil Case protects pens inside with its firm exterior. The foam-like plastic is also particularly resistant to stains. Water-based inks wipe off easily. The handy design lets you stand the pouch on its triangular base, so you can quickly access your favorite pens. The Lihit Lab Smart Fit Stand Pen Case is an innovative case that turns into a pen cup. The soft silicone material is pleasant to the touch and easy to clean. You can choose from plain Act colors or absolutely adorable Punilabo designs. The Nomadic Wise Walker pen case is a rugged workhorse for your daily carry. Made of carbonium, which is a lightweight polyurethane, the case is waterproof and can even be wiped down with cleaning wipes. You can pick between a high-capacity case like the PF3 and PF1 or the slim PF7. Metal and plastic. Perfect for minimalists, the Velos Tin Pen Case is a simple yet protective storage solution. Because the case is made of metal, you can use rubbing alcohol to remove stubborn marks. Just be sure to test it in a small area first. It comes in 3 different sizes to fit your everyday supplies. The charming blue Q pencil case is sure to bring a smile to your face. Made of 95% post-consumer recycled materials, the case is water-resistant and can be wiped clean with a damp cloth. Protect your pens with the Sunstar Guardian Pen Case. The outer shell is made from polycarbonate, the same material often used in suitcases. The plastic exterior resists spills and won't discolor when used with cleaning wipes. If you use a phone as much as you use pens, add a Sunstar Small Pop pen case to your desk. You can keep your favorite supplies in the tray beneath, and the slot on top can be used as a phone stand. You can rinse the Small Pop under running water, or even use dish soap and a sponge to remove pesky marks. Nylon and polyester. Organize your pens with the clever Kamio Japan Pako Tray Pen Case. The case unzips into a large tray with 3 compartments. Some designs are made using washable polyester, including these that feature Peanuts characters. The simple yet dependable Cubics Easy Open Pen Case is sure to become your new favorite. The case opens wide, so finding the right pen is a breeze. Plus, the case has cushioning to protect your pens. Made of nylon, the case can be cleaned by hand or in a washing machine. The Lihit Lab Smart Fit Pen Case is made from Cordura, a fabric that's well known for its strength and durability. You can clean the case with the rest of your laundry without any worry. Designed to be slim and lightweight, This compact wallet will hold your favorite supplies. Which pen case is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. You can shop all of these products and more at JetPens.com. Thanks for watching.